Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Command Prompt with elevated rights. Make sure you select Run as administrator now. Type the exact command, WMIC Path Software Licensing Service, get away 3x original product key and press Enter. This queries the firmware-stored OEM key in many systems, which is why it often returns a 25-character key, formatted with dashes. Once done, note the output carefully. If you see a key, copy it exactly. If the line is blank, continue to the next diagnostic steps. If the WMIC command returns nothing, you need to diagnose why. Run slmgr/dli to display current license information, and then slmgr/xbr to check activation permanence. These commands explain whether the system uses a digital entitlement, volume license, or OEM key. Once done, make sure to read the addition and activation channel. Windows Home, Pro, or Volume Licensed Enterprise behave differently. If you find a digital entitlement, there's no BIOS key to extract, which explains a blank result and tells you when you finally have the key, write it down or store it in a password manager. Treat it like sensitive data. If no key appears, sign into your Microsoft account online or check original purchase emails and packaging, because many modern installs use digital licenses tied to your account rather than a firmware key. If commands fail, rerun Command Prompt explicitly as administrator, verify WMIC exists on your Windows edition, and make sure system updates haven't removed legacy tooling. This single troubleshooting step resolves most access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.